So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're reviewing MagicHour AI Review, all-in-one AI tools platform. MagicHour AI is an all-in-one AI content creation tool that combines video generation, image generation and editing, voice tools, face swap, lip sync, talking photos, etc. So instead of using multiple tools, it puts everything in one platform. MagicHour is packed with 100 plus tools including video tools like text-to-video, image-to-video and video-to-video, AI animation and subtle generation. Also, face swap, talking photos and lip sync, image generator, background remover, AI headshots, and clothes change. And of course, audio tools like generation, cloning, or changing. It's designed to replace multiple tools like Runway, Midjourney, and others in one place. It has a free plan that gives you 400 starting credits and daily free credits, limited quality, and watermark. But the paid plans started from $10 to $66 per month, higher resolution, no watermark and credits, and faster processing. But on the other hand, credit system can be confusing. High quality outputs costs more credits, not always best in class for each feature, and some tools feel experimental. So, MagicHour is convenience over perfection. Its best strengths are all-in-one platform, but the weakness is credit-based limits and mixed quality. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips and tricks like this.